Okay, for your chicken pita pockets, you want to prepare your tofu. Cut it up into, well, this is the size I prefer, but you can do whatever you want here. Say it's about 1.5 inch square or so. And you're going to cook this up in your sesame oil until it's golden brown on both sides. And then you just assemble your pockets, whatever order you prefer. So I've got the tofu in there, and then I'm adding some hoisin sauce, some soy cheddar cheese, sliced avocado, sliced tomato, and shredded lettuce. Rinse and repeat for the second half. Oops. Oh, I have Dijon mustard in there too. I forgot about that. Yeah, you get the idea. You can really add whatever you want, honestly. Improvise. Make it your own pocket.